First I thought because it's connected to the cold water through this pipe, which oh boy, almost broke. I thought that was the problem, but now it's a drain pipe which I just removed and it looks completely clogged. So I have to clean this pipe and reinstall it. And maybe defreeze it, the froster. I think I have solved the problem. This pipe was clogged and I cleaned it. And it dumps water from, I guess, the freezer onto the tray. Onto the tray. So let me just connect it. I don't understand it fully, but maybe this will solve the problem. I didn't find the ziplock. I'm sure I have it, but I found a helicopter wire, 16 gauge. Let me just mount it carefully. This just tie it down. Okay. Just tie it down like this. Oh. Hopefully, instead of buying a new 1000 refrigerator, this fridge will be okay. It is okay. Okay. Everything is so complicated these days. We'll see the results soon.